I get asked all the time what size STAUB Dutch oven is the perfect one to buy. Well, honestly, it depends on you and your family and your style of cooking. So here I have the 4-quart, the 5.5-quart, which is actually the best seller, and the 7-quart. Now, the 4-quart is great for things like small amounts of soup, but I also use that one and the 5.5-quart for baking bread. And the 5.5-quart, like I said, is the best-selling model. I probably use that one the most for my family, for soups and pastas and things like that. But the 7-quart is great for making big batches of chili, stews, and you can even do a pot roast or a roast chicken. So how do you clean a STAUB enameled cast iron piece? Well, the beauty of the STAUB is that it's enameled on the inside and the outside, so you can actually use soap and water. So how can you get your STAUB collection started? Well, to me, the most important pieces are a Dutch oven and a fry pan. Do you need to season a STAUB? No, you do not. It's enameled cast iron, so it doesn't need seasoning. Now, is there anything you can't cook in a STAUB? No, you can cook everything in a STAUB. The beauty of it is that it's enameled on the inside, so you can even cook acidic foods just perfectly. One of the reasons I love enameled cast iron is because it has a very even heat distribution and it is perfect for searing proteins. Head to zwilling.com to shop the STAUB cast iron collection now. And don't forget to subscribe to the STAUB YouTube channel and check out the entire STAUB recipe collection.